Back to class. Today we want to look at, we started the arithmetic progression series. We talked about the first, the second, and the third term. We want to look at how to calculate the sum of AP. We recall that we said that if A in an arithmetic progression, we said in an arithmetic progression AP, A is called first term, okay, and A plus B is called second term, okay, and while the nth term, maybe the last term, is given as A plus n minus D all into D. Assuming a situation where we want to sum all the terms together, so we're having things like A for first term plus A plus D second term plus A plus 2D third term, okay, plus A plus 3D fourth term, like that. We get to a situation where we say the entire sum of an AP will be given by n over 2, open bracket, 2A plus n minus 1 d all over A. Is that taken? So also, we know that the n term of an AP, the n term of an AP, which is also known as the last term of an AP, is given as A plus n minus 1 into D. So if we call this equation 1 and call this equation 2, if I substitute equation 2 into equation 1, I'll be having this equation 1 will look more like this. The sum will become n over 2, open bracket. You can see this is A plus everything here. It is A plus n minus 1 all over D. Okay, where this A plus A will give me 2A, which is here. So therefore, I can say that that sum of AP can also be said to be 2 into A plus the last term, where L is the last term. L is that last term or the nth term. So we have two expressions now for sum of AP. In all, the sum of an arithmetic progression is given by xn, which is equal to n over 2, bracket open, 2a plus n minus 1 all into d, bracket close, which is written as n over 2 into a plus last term or nth term. Okay, so these are the two sums of AP. So when you are asked the question, find the sum of the first three arithmetic progression, you know where your Sn is equal to sum of AP. Okay, your N is the number of terms, your A is the first term, and your D is what? Common difference. Okay, and your L is called the last term or nth term of a given progression. All right, so we can now take some questions when you are asked to find the sum of the first third term in a given progression. For example, I can say find the sum of the fifth term in an arithmetic progression for 9, 14, like that. So if this is a standard question you are given, say find the sum of the fifth term, then we know that from this expression, A is 4, which is called the first term. A plus D is 9, which is called the second term. So it implies that, follow me down here, it implies that from there, my D will be equals to 9 minus A, where A is equals to 4. So my D will be 9 minus 4, that gives me 5. The question says, find the sum of the fifth term of an arithmetic progression. So sum of the fifth term, it means that it implies that n is what? 5. So the sum will now be n over 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1g, close the bracket. So 5 here, n becomes my 5 over 2, my a becomes 2 times 4 plus 5 minus 1. What is my d? So 5, I close it. So I have my 5 over 2, open bracket, 8 plus 4 times 5, right? That's 5 over 2, open bracket, 8 plus 20. That it will give me 5 over 2 into 28. This cancel is 14. So I have 5 times 14 as my sum of my fifth term. The sum of my fifth term therefore becomes 5 times 4, 20, carry 2, 5 times 1, 5, that becomes 70. That's how we solve sum of AP. Okay, I'm going to give you further examples for your class activities and your homework, and then I will do the correction. Then we